guys, today we're gonna have a new house tour but at my room. But because I arranged a few things or a couple of things or a lot of things to my room, of course, and my sister's room. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff. So let's see if I can complete it all in one video. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. Let's start from the beginning. So, as you can see, my sister's room is emo and she has a few things. So, yeah. And that's her room. And do you know why I have a lot of stuff? Because my sister is quite emo and very spoiled and very rude to my parents. But since I'm not spoiled, I got a lot of things. But when someone is spoiled, then yeah, they get a few things. So let's start. And yeah, it's very emo. I can't stop looking at it. Okay, so as you can see, I have a huge cabinet and a fluffy pillow first of all, and utensils in case I'm hungry, and oh yeah, shampoo, yeah, there. And I see, yeah, that's really shampoo. And confetti, and yeah, confetti, and a birthday cake in case I'm hungry, or when it's my birthday. And I have a bubblegum machine, and yeah, and a milkshake maker, and a stool there, I think. Oh, and that's my skates when in the snow, and a bunny pillow, and I have a rabbit there, but it's hiding. It's camera shy. Hold on, there we go. As you can see, I have a new hairstyle. Comment down below if you like it. Also, that's confetti, of course. And that's endless treats, because when I'm hungry, I'm always hungry. So, and yeah. So that's my unicorn mask for when I'm sleeping. That's endless treats. Also, that's my bunny bag. Yeah, that's my bed over there. That's very cute. And yeah, that's my bag. But if you can see that unicorn beside it, it's like a unicorn below by there. And that's my musical bag. And that's my bag. If you guys know the secret of that bag, please comment down below. Okay, moving on. And wait, hold on. And this is my radio. And that's my rainbow for, design. And that's my cat drawer, which is pink, and rainbow. As you can see, I love rainbow and cute stuff. And that's my Tamagotchi. That's my ice cream hairbrush and water bottle there. And then that's my earrings, what I just picked up. And then that's all of my school uniform there on that bunny. Oh, and this is my radio, first of all. And yeah, this is my tiny. And hold on. And that's my radio again. And that's my bear pink cushion, yeah. And that is my little seat, but it's very big. And that's my bunny seat there. And I have a cute statue. So, and I have a lot of stuffed toys. And yeah, and the bunny pillow. Comment down below if I missed something, because I'm gonna make a part 2 so I can, so you guys can remind me what I missed. And that's my wands there, and then that's my my utensils for where I put my food on, like my plate and stuff. I have a lot of stuff, and if you saw that earlier, rewind back and see if what it is, okay? Comment down below. And yeah. Oh my gosh, pick that up accidentally. Let's put it down there. Oh yeah, and that carpet and that light, yeah. So yeah, that's the TV and a curtain. Oh yeah, and that bunny lamp. And I have a ball pit. My parents just installed this one recently. No, not really recently, but this year, I think. This year, I think. I made a new makeover. Oh yeah, and that's my smoke globe. My parents, well, I arranged my bedroom so I can, like for 2026. Oh, and this is my bathroom. All my sisters got is that toothbrush and a few things. So my parents installed this bathroom for me. This, like I said, my sister spoiled. And so yeah, that is it. So just comment down below if, well, also I want to tell you that I'm gonna be making a video with my cousin, like my real cousin, at, well, from my school, like my real school, okay? So make sure to click on that notification bell so you can know about my I think maybe I'm gonna make a face reveal and with my cousin. So yeah, I'm trying to make my YouTube channel very public, like other people are there, but only one video is only one people are there. So. Oh, and I also have 2 crowns there. And yeah, I think that's it. Just make sure to comment down below what I missed so I can make a part 2.